Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many of the brands featured on this list are widely recognized and trusted by automotive enthusiasts, but Royal Purple stands out for its exceptional reputation among high-performance vehicle owners. Known for producing premium synthetic oils, Royal Purple ensures that all its products meet the highest industry standards. Their oils carry current API and ILSAC engine oil certifications and also feature GM Dexos 1 approval for gasoline engines. This means drivers can trust Royal Purple to deliver reliable performance and protection across a wide range of vehicles. Royal Purple's synthetic oil is formulated with advanced additive technology designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact, going above and beyond the requirements of both GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. This enhances engine efficiency, improves fuel economy, and provides superior protection for sensitive exhaust emission systems. A key feature is its patented anti-wear additive chemistry, which helps protect the catalytic converter from the potentially damaging effects of exhaust gases, extending the life of the engine and emissions equipment. For vehicles using ethanol-blended fuels, Royal Purple is especially recommended. Its unique additive package helps prevent issues such as white sludge formation and lubrication starvation that can occur with higher ethanol concentrations, ensuring consistent engine protection and smooth operation under demanding conditions. While Royal Purple synthetic oils are priced higher than some competitors, their superior performance, extensive certifications, and strong endorsements from car enthusiasts make them one of the most popular and highly rated synthetic motor oils on the market. For drivers who value engine longevity, efficiency, and protection, it is a premium choice that delivers tangible benefits. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. If you're looking for a high-quality synthetic oil for a diesel engine, Shell Rotella T6 is an excellent choice. Designed to provide superior protection and performance, this synthetic oil outperforms conventional 15W30 oils, offering up to 2.8% improved fuel economy. Its triple protection plus formula combines fully synthetic base oils with advanced additives, delivering enhanced protection for critical engine components and helping extend overall engine life. Rotella T6 is specifically formulated to defend against the damaging effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that can accumulate in diesel engines. This ensures that your engine stays cleaner for longer, reducing wear and maintaining optimal performance even under heavy-duty or commercial operating conditions. One of the standout features of Shell Rotella T6 is its sheer stability, which helps resist viscosity breakdown and maintains consistent oil pressure. This is particularly important for diesel engines, where maintaining proper lubrication under high load and extreme conditions is essential. This synthetic oil is ideal for a wide range of diesel-powered vehicles, from heavy-duty pickup trucks to commercial trucks, and is especially well-suited for cold northern climates. For engines that require an SAE 5W30 oil, Rotella T6 offers dependable performance and protection, giving drivers confidence that their engines are well cared for, mile after mile. Overall, Shell Rotella T6 is a premium synthetic diesel oil that combines fuel efficiency, contaminant protection, and long-lasting engine performance, making it a trusted choice for professional operators and everyday drivers alike. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil features an advanced full synthetic formula engineered to provide superior protection and long-lasting engine performance. Designed to minimize deposits and sludge buildup, this oil helps keep your engine cleaner for longer, ensuring smoother operation and extended engine life. Its precise combination of high-performance additives offers excellent overall lubrication and wear protection, making it effective under a wide range of driving and operating conditions. One of the key benefits of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its thermal and oxidation stability, which helps prevent oil breakdown even during prolonged use or in extreme temperatures. This ensures that your engine maintains consistent performance and protection over thousands of miles, reducing the need for frequent oil changes and providing peace of mind for drivers who demand reliability. In addition to long-term protection, this synthetic oil offers outstanding low-temperature performance, allowing your engine to start more quickly in cold weather. Faster starts mean immediate lubrication and protection for critical engine components, reducing wear and tear from cold starts and helping prolong overall engine life. Mobil 1's formulation also delivers exceptional control over oil viscosity, maintaining proper thickness for optimal lubrication and engine efficiency in both hot and cold conditions. This ensures that every part of your engine receives consistent protection, no matter the driving environment. Overall, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is a premium choice for drivers seeking advanced engine protection, longer oil life, and reliable performance in all conditions. Whether you're driving in extreme heat, frigid cold, or daily stop-and-go traffic, this oil helps keep your engine running clean, smooth, and efficiently for thousands of miles. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is crafted using the company's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that converts pure natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This unique process produces a base oil that is 99.5% pure, significantly reducing impurities compared to conventional crude oil-based oils. When paired with Pennzoil's advanced performance additives, this formulation can improve engine efficiency, potentially adding up to 550 extra miles per year in fuel economy compared to engines running on conventional oils. This motor oil is particularly beneficial for modern turbocharged engines, offering protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a common concern in high-performance engines. Pennzoil Platinum flows quickly in cold temperatures, ensuring fast lubrication during cold starts, while its low evaporation rate in extreme heat helps maintain consistent performance and protection under demanding conditions. Additionally, this oil helps keep pistons up to 50% cleaner than the requirements set by Sequence IIIH, one of the most stringent industry standards, supporting long-term engine cleanliness and performance. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic meets a wide range of OEM specifications and approvals, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It also exceeds the requirements of API-SN+, API-SN-RC, all previous API categories, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1, making it compatible with most modern vehicles. Overall, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides exceptional engine protection, improved fuel efficiency, and superior performance across a broad range of driving conditions, ensuring your engine runs cleaner, smoother, and longer. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil is specifically engineered for engines with over 75,000 miles, offering advanced protection and performance for older vehicles. Designed to outperform conventional high-mileage oils, it delivers excellent overall lubrication and wear protection, helping safeguard critical engine components that may be more vulnerable due to age. This oil also works to reduce sludge and deposits, which can accumulate over time with standard oils, helping keep your engine cleaner and running smoothly. A key feature of this high-mileage oil is its ability to help prevent leaks. Over time, rubber seals in older engines can harden or shrink, potentially causing oil leaks. Mobil 1 addresses this with a boosted level of seal conditioner, helping maintain seal flexibility and preventing leaks before they become a problem. Mobil 1's proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils provides proven protection for up to 500,000 miles, giving drivers confidence in long-term engine reliability. Its formula ensures consistent oil viscosity, even under high temperature or extreme driving conditions, so your engine receives dependable lubrication at all times. This motor oil also meets or exceeds key industry standards depending on the viscosity grade. It satisfies API-SN+, ASN, SM, and SL, and select grades also meet or exceed ASIA A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5 specifications, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Overall, Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Oil provides superior engine protection, reduces wear, combats sludge and deposits, and helps prevent leaks, making it an ideal choice for keeping higher mileage engines performing reliably for many miles to come.